Hello mothers, welcome back to my channel Rocking a Beer and Mom. So today is recipe video and here I am going to make a very healthy food whose name is Ragi Pancake. Yes, it is very healthy. So I am going to make only one pancake. Here is the ingredient: 1 tablespoon of atta, 1 tablespoon of ragi and half cup of milk and some jaggery, that means gur. So take all the ingredients in a bowl, add ragi, then jaggery and then atta, and then add milk little by little and mix well so that no lumps are formed. After that, the batter should be like regular dosa batter consistency, within too thick nor runny. My baby is 1 year old, so that's why I'm using cow milk in this batter. If your baby is below 1 year, then you add only boiled water, filtered boiled water. Don't give cow milk, don't add cow milk in batter. After that, heat a pan, sprinkle ghee, add a ladle of batter to it and spread it to form a circle. Sprinkle more ghee if needed, and after that cook until brown on one side for 5 minutes and flip the cake. Cook for a minute and remove from pan. the healthy and tasty ragi pancake is ready.